Hello everyone, welcome to Software Quality Excellence Training SQL Day 11. I hope you guys enjoying with my previous video and will be enjoying upcoming video. Let's recap from the previous classes like what we have done in previous classes, right? So in previous classes, we have learned multi-row function, which is also called group function, which is also called aggregation functions, right? So remember in the beginning, like in the middle of some session, we have learned that there are three main function, and out of three main function, we have completed two function. What are those two? We completed single row function and we completed multi-row functions or group functions or aggregation functions, right? So in multi-row functions or group functions or aggregation functions, there is five functions we have learned, and this function is very important in every project. Almost 99% of the client, they are using these functions. So you have learned minimum, what is the minimum, maximum, count, sum, and average. I hope you all remember those functions. Today we are going to learn analytical functions. Analytical function, this is also one of the very important function that is being used in real time project. So let's understand what is the analytical function is. And analytical functions give the value over a group of row and return a single result for each row. So what do you understand here? This function make a group, right? Basically, and in each group, for each group, this is giving a single number or single row for each group. This function this function calculate an aggregate value based on a group of a row. And what are those functions are? There are four main sub functions that we will be discussing here. So rank means we have rank functions, we have rank functions, we have row number functions, and we have lead and lag functions. Let's read one by one in detail. Okay. So what is the rank? Very important function in analytical functions. So the rank function is also called window function. This is also called window function that assign a rank or number to each row within the partitions of the result set. Partition is group. So this will give the number which is divided by in different group. Rank will provide the number of each group of each partition. The rows within the partition, right? The rows within the partition, or you can say the rows within the group that have same value will receive same rank, right? The rank of the first row within the partition is start with 1, right? So I hope you guys understand this concept. We will go in deep with some examples so that make us more clear. Okay. So rank gives the temporary column. See, rank will give a temporary columns with the number assigned to each row. Rank rank will skip the number. Very important to understand here. Rank will skip the number if two or more number are same. If more than two number are same, rank will skip the number. Okay. And what is the syntax? The rank, exactly, you type the rank keyword, open the bracket, close the bracket, type the over keyword, and partition by here. Basically partition by means group by. Okay, remember that partition by means group by. And provide the column name, what column you want to make a group. And then order by, are you trying to order as a descending order or ascending order? Okay, so order by descending or ascending, provide the column name. Partition means divide or group by. Okay, Let's see the questions. Now, if somebody asks, display the rank for each person based on the salary earned in client wise. So remember, so understand questions. Display display the rank, okay? For each person, you have to display the rank for each person, but based on the salary earned in the client. How much salary earned from which client, give them the rank. Okay, so I write the query. It will, and the note I put note. It will give the it will give of their person each client with the salary high to low. Okay, and second question, display the rank of each person based on the active in each location wise. Okay, and then I have given the without partition. Okay, display the rank without partition, display the rank without group. Let me copy all query and execute in SQL Server. Please, please go ahead, download SQL Server Management Studio 2017 version in order to do the practice. Okay. So my first question, what I did is I select the first name, salary, client ID, and I use the rank function here. My rank function, I am doing partition by client ID. Okay, that means group by client ID, and I am doing the order by salary, make as descending. Descending means highest number will be top and lowest number will be going down. Okay, and I eliminate if the salary has null, don't give them. So I want which salary is not null. So let me run this query and analyze one by one. So see here, very important. So as we know, we make a group by client ID, right? So this client 10, 10, 10, client 15 has 4 people, client 20 has 1 people, client 25 has 3 people, and client 30 has 3 people. Okay. So let's see how the rank does. In client 10, 3 people, their salary are different, right? So salary are different, so it gives 1, second salary different, it gives 2, third salary different, it gives 3. So here basically there is nothing to understand because all are just different in same client has different salary, that's why rank give ones. Let's see in group 15. Okay, let's see in group 15. In group 15, first Naren, it has salary 8,500, rank give 1. Second, in second person in group 15, it has different salary, so it give different rank. Third, if you see third record in same group, in same client, these two are same. If you see Siva and Deva in client 15 have same salary. So what is happening here? If both of them have same salary, then it has given both what is called both rank, same rank for both. If you see, let me take snapping tool. So if you see here, Siva and they are both working in same client, right? So and their salary are also same. That's why the rank is given same. See here, rank is given same. But there is the Indra. He also living in same client, working in same client, but his salary is different. But it gives 4. Why? Because in that group, Indra is in fourth position. Why? First position, second position, third position, and fourth position. So what is happening here? If within a group, if two number are same, it will assign same rank, but the next number it will get skipped. See here, 3 got skipped here, right? 3 is not given here, right? So what is happening here? In a group, remember very carefully, in a group which is 15, in a group, if two or more than two person have same value for them, it will assign same rank. Okay, it will assign same rank, but for next person it will skip. So for example, the next person is Indra, and he's also in same client, but his salary is different. But in a group, what position is Indra is? First position here, second position here, third position here, and fourth position. So basically it assign the rank for the fourth position. Let's see. Let's see in group 20. In group 20, only one people there, so it has 20, so it's given one rank. Okay, one rank. Okay, now let's see 25. In 25, if you see here, see now, let's see here. Let me I snapping tool 25. Okay, so in group 25, in group 25, three people are there. Okay, in group 25, three people are there. Okay, so first two people, Mike and Joseph, have same salary. They both are working in same location, same client, and they have both same salary. So that for them they have same rank. But Kiran has different salary, but she's working same client. So for that, for her, it's supposed to be two, right? But rank will skip the number because here Kiran living in third position. So that's why first position is Mike, second position is Joseph, and third position is Kiran. So rank is skipping. Let me summarize this thing in one sentence. So basically, rank is the function that that is that will provide the number in a group, number within a group. If within a group, if same value repeated twice or three times, then it will provide the same rank for them, but for the next rank it will skip the number. Okay, let me run another example here. Display the rank for each person based on active flag and location wise. So see here, similarly, so we have active flag, yes and no. We have active flag, we have only two group. And active flag, we have two group. Group is yeah, no, and group is yes. Okay. So in group no, let's see how many people living in same location. So group N, okay, there is two group. Let me take in snapping tool and do the all right. Okay. So in group, there is two group basically. One group is N and another group is yes. Okay, Y and N. So in group one, Binay is living one location, he's given one, and he's living three locations, so he's given sign two, 4, 3, 5, 4. Now see, they are living in same location. Okay, so for them it giving 5 rank. You see that? So they are living same for Joseph and Gopal. Their ID, their active flag is no, and they are living same location. So for them, it giving the same rank. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's see in same under N if there is some more person for that person and their location is different, then it will give 7 next because this is 5 and this is 6. Next number would be 7, right? Let's understand the Y group. In Y group, if you see Y under Y, if you see under Y, Naren and B are living same location. So for them, we provided database provided same rank, but the third person in third person and third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. These many person are living in same location. That's why for them it has given 3. Why 3? Do you know why 3? Because first position is Naren, second position is Bir, and Naren and Bir in same location. That's why it gives a rank. But internally position is second. Similarly, in client location 2, there is uh 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people are there. So that's why for them, all of them, they have same rank, but next number it will count the position in each group. So if you count the position from 7 to 23, count the position. So first position, second position, third position, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, ninth position here. See here, Kiran is in ninth position in each group. So that's how similarly in active flag, three people have same location ID. So for them, it's given same rank. 4, 4, 5, Now five have two, three people, so for them it's given same rank. Four people, so it's given same rank. Similarly, six it's given same rank. So basically, what is happening here? Within a group, right? Within an active flag group, if their location ID is same, then it giving same rank. But when location are in same group, when location is different, then it will skip the number. How many number that need to skip? It depends how many duplicate, how many similar we have. So for example, if you see here one one, right? Second row number is supposed to give two, but it's not giving two because this is the rank function, right? So rank functions will skip the number. So one because they are living same client, and then three because they are living same client. So what is the position of three? This is eight position. Like for example, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, and eight position. Next number start with nine because they are in their location ID is different, right? So very care understand very carefully. Uh, rank is the function that give the temporary column as any columns, and it is give the rank in a group by some columns based on your orders. Okay, let's see one example. Rank without partition, rank without group. So here I used the partition by, right? But here I didn't use the partition by. I just used the order by, and order by client ID, and descending, and salary as ascending. Let me run here. So if you see here, okay, if you see here client ID 30, right? Client ID 30 has, so it will make a group of client ID. Client ID 30 has salary. There three people salary are different, so it's given different rank. In client ID 25, client ID 25 has three people, but two people salary are same. If you see here, not sorry, yeah, two people salary are same. So first people, because identity group, so first people four, and second people five, fourth people also five because fourth and fifth are because they are same, right? But in next people, six got out. Why? Because instead of six we put five here because both are same. So it's supposed to be six, but as both are same, that's why we provided five. Similarly, this not same, so 7, this is not same, 7. Here, see here. Again, they are same. So it's giving same. So if this is 9, then this is the 10th. But as both are same, we give the same ring. But we skip the number. We skip the position. So 10 got skipped, right? And next number is 11. Similarly, after 7500, all of them are null. That means everything same. So for them, everything is 15, right? Let's see, we have another row called 24 and have some salary, then it will count the position. So that is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Okay, so basically rank is the functions which is providing the number within a group. Okay, let's read the dense underscore number. This is a little bit confusing, but don't worry. If you do the practice multiple times, you will understand. Similarly, dense ring. This is also kind of window functions. Dense ring generate the rank of a row in order group of rows and return the rank as a number. Similarly, it will work exactly same like rank function, but little bit will different. The ranks are consecutive integers beginning with 1. Any rank, it will always start with 1. That means it will not skip any number, okay? That means it will not skip any number. It will exactly behave how the rank is doing, but we know that rank is skipping the number if two values are same. But here, dense rank will not skip even the two values are same, okay? What is the syntax? Syntax is dense underscore rank and then over keyword, and if you want to do the partition by or group by, put the column name, order by column name, descending or ascending. Similarly, same question I given here by using the dense underscore rank. Okay, so I have three example here. Let me copy and execute three example. Okay, so what is happening here? Display the rank of each person based on the salary in client wise. So if I run this query, if I execute this query, what is happening here? See the dance ring. Okay, be careful. So client ID 3, okay, client ID 3, all of their salary is different, so they have given different rank, dance ring. Don't worry about that. Now came, let's understand client ID 4, okay, 15. In client ID 15, two people have same salary. So first people has first salary, so it given the one. Two people has, okay, two people has same salary, okay. Oh, sorry, I did wrong here. I did wrong here. I have to use rank functions. What is happening here? Oh, let me do here. Let me do it. I copied wrong, I think. 1 second. Let me copy this one. All right. All right. That's why giving something was wrong. There you go. Yeah. So dance rank. Okay. Before I was using the rank function. Okay. So what is happening here? Uh, in client 10, in group 10, because we are doing the client ID here, we are doing the group by client ID. So in client 10, okay, all three people have different salaries, so they have assigned a different dance ring, okay. But if you see in client ID 15, two people have same salary, okay, two people have same salary. So first people with the highest salary, that's why we have given one. Second and third people have same salary, so we have given two. But fourth people is also same client, we have given three. Remember here in row number 7, if we apply rank function, it will be how much? 4, because 1, 2, 3, fourth position. It will give 2 to for same salary, right? But it will skip right in the rank. But here it's not skipping. It's working exactly same like rank function, but one difference is here it is not skipping the number. Even though those two number are same, for them is given same rank, but the next number it is not skipping. That means it's going to consecutive, it is going to continuous 1, 2, and after 2, what number come? 3. Does not matter how many times 2 getting repeat. Similarly, client 20 only 1%, so don't worry. Client 25 we have 3%, okay, we have 3%, and out of 3%, 2% have same salary, okay, 65, 65, so it's given 1, and the next person has different salary, so it's given 2. But as we know that even though this is in client 25, Kiran is in third position, but here position is not going to count here because we're going to count continue. So after 1, definitely it will become 2. So it will give 2. Similarly, client 30, we have 3 people and all are different salaries, so it has given different. Okay. Let me run another example here with based on the active flag, group by the active flag, order by location ID. Okay, so first it will make group by the active flag. So in active flag there is two group. Okay, in active flag there is two groups. One is N and another is S. So one is N means no, and another is Y as yes. So in group N, all of them are different except two people. They are living same ring. So here for them 1, for them 2, for his 3, for 4, for 6 and 6 5. If another number also given here, it will give 6, 7, 8 like that way. Let's see here. All right. In Y active flag group, two people are same. It's given same ring. What is the next string after 1? It will 2. So it will not it's not skipping any number. Okay, so these many people have same location, for them is given 2. Same function in rank, it was given 3 3, right? Because these are third position, right? Similarly, next group is 3 3, C 3 3. Similarly, next group is 4, 4. Next group is 5. All of them are 5. Next group of 6. So basically what is happening is within a same group, right? Within a group, within a Y group, if same number of different, it will assign the rank, but the next rank is not is keeping the any number. That means it will go continue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that way. Okay. Next, I hope you guys understand rank and dense underscore rank. Okay. Similarly, row number. Next function is row number. What is the row number? Very important. This function is very important. Okay. So it assign a unique number to each row which it is applied either each row in a partition or each row written by in a query in order in ordered sequence of rows specified in order by clause beginning with 1. That means it will assign each of every row as number 1. Here also you can use the partition by. Okay, here also we can use the partition by. So what is syntax? Row underscore number over partition by column name, order by column name, ascending or descending. Similarly, display the row number for each person based on the salary earned in the client wise. Display the number earned based on the active flag and without partitions. Let me copy this one, right, and execute here. Right, let's see. Let's see. What is giving is assign each number. So for example, see here, remember in rank and dense rank, if all are null, for them it was giving same number. But here, even though they are same, it will assign a different number. Similarly, in client ID 10, we are doing group by client ID or by salary. Similarly, in client ID 10, there are 3 people, right? And for them, salary is different, so it's obviously it will be 1, 2, 3 different. But if you see here, client ID 15, right? In client ID 15, first people have different salary, so it's given different. Second and third people have same salary, right? Second and third people have same salary, but it is giving different number, different number. So basically, row number is a function that is going to provide the unique number in each group, right? Does not matter even though both value are same, it will give the unique number for both value. Why do you need to use these functions? What is the use of this function, right? This function is used to delete the duplicate record. For example, out of 7,500, 7,500, I need only 7,500. Which one should I delete? If I use the function delete from table where salary is 7,500, it will delete both because it's provided in this one. So in that situation, we can provide the rank salary is 7,000 and delete the record which is first rank or which is second rank. So this function is used to delete, or this function is used to find the duplicate record, to eliminate the duplicate record. This function is going to be used. All right. Similarly, based on the active flag and client ID. Let me see here. See here, all of them are in N, right? So if you see here, even though they are in same group, this is the group, this group, these are different, so it's given different. But here, these two are same, but the rank is given different rank. So basically, in a group, if you see the Y flag in a group, even though they are same some places, for everybody based on this group, for everybody it is giving the unique number for everyone. The number cannot be duplicate in a group. See, before that there was duplicate in group Y. There are so many 2 2, so many 3 3, right? But here in group Y, even though they are living same locations, for them the row number is giving a unique number, right? So I hope you got it. Row number is used to provide the unique number in a group. Okay. Similarly, last function is called leg and lead. Okay, leg, just like listening this sound make leg means down, lead means up. Leg means back, lead means forward, right? So leg function has ability to fetch the data from previous row. Basically, leg function is used to get the data from previous row, while lead function is used to get the data from upcoming row, next row. Both functions are very similar to each other, and you can just replace one by one other by changing the sort order, either descending or ascending. What is the syntax? Leg or lead, provide the column name in where do you want to provide the leg or lead over by, and if you want to do partition, you can do partition, not then let's do the order by column name. Let me copy this one, okay? Let me copy this and execute this here. All right. So if you see here, this is the actual salary. Leg means previous. So this is the leg function. If you see here 3000, right? What is the previous salary? This means this will take from here. So let me take the snapping tool. All right. Okay. So function, let function means it will take. This is the column that you are creating, right? So this, so this leg, there is nothing to previous, but this leg came from this. This came from this. This came from this. This came from this. This came from this. See, it leading the previous one. See here, here is null, so this null came here. Here is 3000, so it give me 3000, right? 3500, 3500, 6000, 6000. That means this is the leg function is taking the record from previous, just previous row. It is taking the record from this column based on the salary. See, we use the based on salary column, right? See, based on the salary here. Use the salary based on the salary and order by ascending means lowest to highest. Okay, and based on the salary, it is giving, it is taking the record from previous record. So 7000 is for, if you want to see Deva, for Deva, what is the leg for Deva? For Deva, the leg will be John. What is the leg for John? The leg will be Mike. What is the leg? That means one up, one previous. So you got it, right? Similarly, let me run one more example and you can see leg by higher date. Higher. If you see here, if I see what is the leg of Indra, nothing, because before Indra nobody is there, right? What is the leg date? What is the leg of Ajay? Indra. What is the leg of Ram? That means this go this go this, like that, right? So previous salary. So let means previous, and let's see the lead. Lead, see, null, 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 null. Now, if there is null, then we don't have to problem. We don't have to worry about that for the uh, null. But if you see, what is the lead of Priya? Lead of Priya means Ajay. So it's going upward. See, what, even though Priya's salary is null, but what is the lead salary for Priya? We have to look the next one, which is Ajay. So if you see the Priya has null, but it is taking the salary from Ajay. So let me do the snapping tool and drag the line one by one. Okay. This is lead function. So null, we don't have to worry about null. Okay. Null, we don't have to worry about the null. But Ajay, the lake, the lead for Ajay is this, Indra this. So that means it is going forward. So see here, 6500, 6500, 7000, 7000, 7500. If you see here, so basically leg means previous record, just one record from previous. Lead means just one record from, just one record from ahead. Let me understand everything by Excel sheet. Okay. So if you see here, let me erase everything. Okay, let me erase everything here. So I get the name. Let's assume that everybody working in the same group. Everybody in the same group. Let's provide rank, dance rank, row number, row underscore unum, but row number, and let's provide leg and provide lead function. All right, for each. Let's see how we can do that. All right. So let's go to rank. What is happening here? Everybody have salary. So it had two people have same salary. So what will be happening here? I am going to it will be one salary, right? The next people has next three people have same salary. So what will be rank here? Can somebody tell me? Will it be 2 or 3? It will be 3 because they are in third positions. So for them third. Now what will be the rank for this person? What is the position of this? Right? So count. First position, second position, third position, fourth position, fifth position, sixth. And from this position to all the position people, they have their salary same. So it will be 6, 6, 6, 6. Got it, right? It is because it's keeping the number. How many number that need to be skipped? Two number are same. So after one, definitely it will be two. So two got high. That's why it is keep three. Right? Here four got high, five got high, four got four got high, five got high. So it will be six. Six got here six. Here supposed to be seven. Seven is hiding. Eight is hiding. Nine is also hiding. If another number given here, let's see it has Hari. Hari, and his salary is 7,000. Then what will be the next number will be? Next number will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, like that way. Let me remove that one. So we got our rank function. What will be dense rank functions? Obviously, they both have same, so it will be 1, 1, right? What will be the dense rank function for this? After one, what function come? It will 2, 2, 2, 2. It will not skip. What is the dense rank for these functions? 3, 3, 3, 3. Got it? Was perfect. Row number? Row number, even though they have duplicate, it will give the unique row number. So here, row number is 1, it will give 2. Alright? Here, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. Right? Even the duplicate, it will give the different unique number in each group. In each group, they are giving the unique number. Okay. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now we got. So we have rank, dense rank, row number, leg. Leg means for here nobody is previous, so it will copy H. Nothing because here there is nobody in the previous, right? Nobody. For David, leg is 2000. All right. For Ram, leg is 3000. Sorry, what is wrong? For Ram, leg is 3000. All right. For Hari, what is happening here? For Ram, leg is 3000. For David, leg is 2000. Right. For Ram, leg is 2000 here. For Hari, leg is 3000. For Ganesh, leg will be 3000 of Hari's. For Vikas, leg will be 3000. For Dheer, leg will be 4000. And all of them have 4000, so it will be 4000. All right. And 4000. Similarly, lead function. Okay. What is the lead of this Naren? The lead of Naren is David. So David will be 2000. All right. What is the lead of David? Ram. What is salary of Ram? 3000. What is the lead of Ram? Hari. Hari salary is 3000. Sorry, salary 3000. What is the lead of Hari? Ganesh, and Ganesh salary also 3000. What is the salary of Ganesh? What is the lead of Ganesh? Because what is salary of Because 4000. 4000. What is, and all of them only 4000 basically. because all of them have same salary. And last, what is the leader, Gopal? Nobody, right? It will be null here. See that? So basically, it's exactly opposite. From here, if you see from here, null and 2000, but from here, null and highest number from them. So this is league and this is the, so lead functions, let functions, row number, dense rank, rank. I hope you guys understand all those things. Okay, let's quickly recap what you have learned. Okay, so we have learned analytical functions. Under this, we have learned rank function, dense rank, row number, and leg and lead function. I hope you guys understand. Thank you for being with me. Please watch my video and please subscribe my video. Help me, and I will definitely help you guys. And if you have any questions, comment, please write your question in a comment box. I will reply your answers. All right. Thank you so much.